Dear darling, I want to talk to you today about learning to do things on your own and being proud of yourself along the way. The best way to grow is step by step. First, someone might do a task for you. Then you do it with them. Next, they stand by to watch and encourage you. And finally, you do it completely on your own. Each step helps you learn, gain confidence, and feel proud of your progress. Think about tying your shoes. At first, I might do it for you. Then we do it together, with me guiding your fingers. Next, I watch you do it while giving a little cheer. Finally, one day you tie your shoes all by yourself, and it feels amazing. Each small step helped you get there, and you learn to be independent. Darling, life works the same way. Try to do more and more on your own. Celebrate each small success, and don't be discouraged if it takes time. God wants you to grow into the gifts He has given you, and learning to do things step by step helps you become independent, responsible, and happy in your own efforts. With all my love, Mom.